Marashe Bedjafo, ebi any Adom Kasee kasa no mo chese, asudi da wonom ne so son, o manfo ehye wase a, wo hwe wo mo waso mo akoma to yem ne drosu ntie kame se, Marashe Bedjafo no dodo no ayade aye ba akopɛ ya wo mu nyina eko ahwese betumi afiri wo so ne nyina no ejina sodie ya wo mo atu aba ma no de aso awo.
Marashe Bedjafo bi a wonom odom kuma na fa woni amane boni etwetwe nkomo no editu dwa se de manfo a wonom eto aba ede won hawo nyina egu won so no ede nyarewa bebre na aba bejai won so esan se de nhye aba beto won so a esese obi bia de ne hawo ba otumi esoso ano ema wonom ani samanyokuo ni Marashe Bedjafo yi ekiremu a primary sanansen a wonom eyeye no wonom ese sika bebre e no di adanse pefe se enwo behia se obeyen sesaye ewo men abato emremu ente saa na se koba se bibiara obeto abama wonom hwe animu kwan se obema wonom sika ebe se o men ka bi ma men ka bi emra yedi ye adwuma omu bi ene amane boni ohene amponsa etwetwe nkomo.
It happens sometimes we try and grow for school fees. One has our back school fees square almost the fees sometimes don't mean to, because you want to satisfy the people to the detriment of your own people. And it's happening. Cause the day we are better. They be a better. And then the number of demands a day will be there, for instance, will be besides the woman 100 Ghana. Or one say, my friend, your money 100 Ghana. But on you say that day, Nipa send a business scan. Until before Ubewa, that day cry, Jama was sending 100 Ghana ma Nipa 30. I hear 3,000. One who is on Bells on 100 cities spend on the man.
But you go as a reform one parliament, I say. Upia was serious when it comes to all the area the pressure at the bar a being in a parliament, I say, because of some of the year. Because Kabusa Munya to Abama, that the Aban will be Unya didn't cook with him on we are. Baby, no, one I say will take care of them. I will never be. So if you don't have the resources, come then I'll be first of it, we know my interaction or betting not to us here. As I speak with you, statutory allocations here, members of parliament, which is a common fund, the whole of 2023.
Everybody coming to parliament must be ready to face the challenges in fulfilling or meeting this gap. Your people are demanding. You don't have what it takes to meet that expectation. It creates a lot of pressure, mental pressure, social pressure everywhere, to the extent that the peace of mind who need to sit, concentrate,